Hi, I'm Craig. Welcome to the Battery Shop. Today we're going to show you how to replace a battery in a jet ski like this. The battery in this jet ski is located in the back here and it's fairly easy to get to. But before we begin, check with the manufacturer's step-by-step instructions to make sure you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace a battery in a jet ski like this. Here's how it's done. With gloves and safety glasses on, the first step is to remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver for that. The next step is to remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal by first removing the rubber boot, and then loosening the fastener using a Phillips screwdriver. The next step is to remove the fasteners for the battery's hold-down bracket. And flip the hold-down bracket out of the way. And remove the old battery. And install the replacement battery. The next step is to reinstall the fasteners for the battery's hold-down bracket. Now we can reinstall the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal. And then reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal. And we're done.